So now let's see how we can work around with the general workspace settings inside of Notion. So to go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around over here onto my profile, and then I'm going to go around under settings right here. So once you go ahead and do that under the workspace general, you can see that this is the settings that I have. So I can go ahead and change around my name right here. So right now you can see that it says Pratik Pradhan's Notion, but I'm just going to go around and say tutor tube Notion right here, just like this. Notion space right here. Once you do that, that becomes the space name of workspace right here. You can change around the icon of the workspace as well. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and say video right here, and you can see that I got this particular icon right here. So you can see like you can also allow certain email domains that you can work with. Let's say, for example, you can go for gmail.com and so forth right here, just like this as well. You can also go ahead and export out the entire workspace content by clicking on this. And as you do that, it actually goes ahead and exports out all of the workspace contents as well. You can go ahead and save and display the page view analytics, or you can turn it off as well, or you can go ahead and delete the entire workspace. So I have changed the name and icon, and if I want to update the workspace now, simply go ahead and click on update. And now you can see that the workspace name has changed, and you can see that the icon changed as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the general workspace settings inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.